Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to find serial number on Canon camera. So guys, I made this table over here with multiple solutions, so follow along. So first one is just simply check the bottom. So most of the Canon cameras have a sticker on the bottom with the serial number. It will be printed in a black text inside a silver box. So guys, it will look something like this. So just simply go ahead and check for something like this and should be able to see the serial number. And now another one is just simply check the battery compartment. So just simply check the inside or behind the battery compartment and should be able to see the serial number, or sometimes it will be on the LCD screen, and just simply look out for that. And mostly guys, the serial number will be on the camera packaging, so it will be printed on the original box and the warranty card. So guys, it will look something like this. So just simply check for this one and you should be able to find your serial number. And that's pretty much it. There you go. See ya.